is the biggest challenge ever.
Can I find anything elegant at the Fashion Nova? You know, their branding is not so much about elegance.
Ta-da!
I actually have to wear this bodysuit if I'm gonna be trying these clothes because, you know, they tend to be a little bit on the raunchy side.
All right, let's start with the first dress. First impression.
Before, I actually used to think that wearing revealing clothes would be beneficial to me. But I learned from this mistake, and as soon as I corrected it, my life improved dramatically.
But all of this I'm sharing in my 60-minute free training that you can access if you go to levelupsecret.com. So make sure you sign up today. It smells so much like chemicals. I must say it feels comfortable. It also gives you a little bit of space if you eat a bit too much. But the question is this dress really elegant? I'm not sure. Do I think it's horrible? No. Am I gonna wear it? No. Packaging, very made in China style. Oh, I didn't know it came with a little top. White blazer dress. This looks kind of funny. You know, this could be a look. I'm kidding. I don't know why, but this looks a bit like a doctor's robe. It doesn't look like a blazer dress. What is this? This is like expectations versus reality. I bought a size S, and this is quite big. Plus, what's going on that you can literally see through this blazer. You should never be able to see through a white blazer. It just makes no sense. Aww, interesting. I don't hate it. This looks decent. The sizing is good. I ordered a small. I like the fit. The material is actually quite stretchy, which makes it comfortable. I would definitely style this shirt dress with a belt. This one, ladies, I'm definitely gonna wear. Oh my gosh. This is size small. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna rip this. Okay, we did it. Oh my gosh, you can really feel the cheapness of the zip. Do you know how a cheap zip feels like? Well, order from Fashion Nova and find out. It's not awful, but it's also not amazing. Something about this fabric that is annoying me. This feels like some cheap cotton. Yeah, the fabric is quite thin. So the next summer dress is a chiffon style dress, but we all know it's not chiffon, it's just some cheap polyester. Okay, this one is tight. The sizing is not always great at Fashion Nova, that's for sure. Oh my gosh, I can't close it because the zip is in such bad quality. The zip is stuck. You know what? I'm so happy I got this bodysuit for moments like this. We made it, ladies. The dress is on. It's fairly tight. And it's actually look kind of cute when you wear it. I mean, imagine if this was a real chiffon dress. Maybe a little bit longer though. Definitely this dress is too short. Style-wise, I love it. I think it's a really pretty dress. But quality-wise, it's really not good. Ooh, look! Another summer dress. So this dress was $40 and now it's $25. It does look a bit like it was $25 though. I don't know if I like this style at all. I thought it would look cuter in the highly photoshopped picture of Fashion Nova. Clearly they do Photoshop everything for a reason. And when you don't see the detailing clearly, that's when you don't see the reality. And the truth is that this looks like a very plain and average dress. This is actually not bad. Similar to the blue shirt dress, but this one is pink. Material is actually not too bad. The smell test, it's manageable. I like how it's, you know, a bit sewn in. Looks very feminine, very flattering. Size is M. Now this one I actually like. I will wear this. Elegance, thumbs up. Now this one I'm quite excited to try because it's my color, blue. Ooh, first impression is that I really like the color. Wow, this is so strange. My hands feel really strange after touching this fabric. It's like I got something on my hands. I actually like this dress. Not too bad. This looks so bad. I can't even describe how awful this fabric feels. It's rough. The style of the dress I like, but you can't get it from a fast fashion store like Fashion Nova. Just looks too cheap. I will never wear this. Never. But I do hope I can find something similar in another store. Ah, yellow. Wow, it looks very yellow. Like artificial glowing in the dark type of yellow. How do I enter this dress? What is this? Ladies, this is supposed to be an underskirt. It barely covers. This is really bad. I mean, why couldn't they just have made it a little bit longer? Would it really cost them that much to add a little bit more fabric? I would happily pay extra for that, you know? But this? You can't wear it like that, come on. But at least it covers my bottom. You know, it's actually a shame because the style of this dress, it's kind of feminine. Flowy dresses always makes it look very feminine. No, ladies, this is not possible. Like this. Okay, you know what? I don't hate the style. I like the style of this dress, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's cool, I think it's a little bit different. I like, you know, shirt dresses, and this is a pencil format, which I really like, but the fabric is awful. The fabric doesn't follow my body in a natural or beautiful way. It just really looks like it has a poor fit. But no. No. I've left the best for last. But something is telling me that I shouldn't put my hopes up when we're talking Fashion Nova. I can't believe this is happening again. I can't believe it. This is supposed to cover. You know, I must be a psychic. I knew I had to wear a bodysuit if I was gonna try Fashion Nova clothes because it's not possible otherwise. Look. Oh gosh, this is even too small, I think. Yeah, this is bad. Expectations versus reality. My waist is not here, you see? The waist is even off. My waist is here. Because I was thinking maybe I could just put a belt here and cover up this hole. Perhaps maybe one of you petite ladies can manage with this dress. I'm 5'7" and I'm not able to. Preppy style mini skirts. I got medium on purpose because I knew they were going to be short. I think fabric is okay. I feel like I've seen worse today. You know, at $18, I think this is okay.
My verdict? Well, unfortunately, almost all of the clothes were in terrible material or they didn't fit well. But I was able to find a few items that I will wear because they were actually decent and can look elegant if you style them correctly. Now let me know in the comments below which ones you liked and which ones you didn't like.
Now in my next video, I bought cheap Zara clothes that look expensive. You're gonna get more tips on how you can shop on a budget and look expensive even in fast fashion stores. I will see you in that video.